Hello everyone, today I will explain how to use the Canva learning tools. A digital tool serves as a support for an excellent teaching learning of a people who use it. Canva is an application that allows us to make the edition for free either from the computer or the cell phone with many template designs to create presentation, cards, chart, and create main math, wallpaper, and even social media. But of course, you have a many more options for all those content creators. It was founded in 2012 and offered online tool to create your own designs with the alternative of paying for advanced option. If you are an experienced designer, you will be able to get a very good result quickly and easily. And if you are an amateur, you will not need as knowledge to get a decent result. Canva offers a collection of 8,000 free templates for a 100 type of a multi-purpose designs. It also allows you to make your own designs from scratch, adding images and other elements and tasks. The operation is very simple. As a first step, we will enter in this web page. This main page of the application will allow us on the right side we have to log in our register. It will ask for enter our account if we had one, but if we do not have an account and it is the first time we are using Canva, it gives us the option to register here. You can do it using your Google data, the Facebook, or simply with your email and a password. But since I had an account, I just clicked on allow. Here, this is my account. Then it will open the main menu. When we have the left column, the first is home, project, are the design that we have made, and if we had any we haven't say here, we return to the home. And the next is template. Here we had all the template designs for the different project that we carry out, such as, for example, a business, social media, videos, marketing, custom prints, card, invitation, and education. But you can also choose to browse a specific subject such as English, math, science, art, designs, and a social study. And back to home and my brand. This option is free for 30 days, after which you will have to pay a symbolic cost to use it. Apps. We have the best trend, productivity, designs essential, share and publish, and all ads. In these lower parts, we have the option of create a themes and the trash can that is in a chart of a saving or a DOS file that we delay, but that the application can keep for a certain a period of a time. At the top, we had a design spotlight where we can choose visual document, photo, and a video, print, and a marketing business. In this auction, we can create a something specialized for a some type of business, such as a content creation, visual communication, etc., with a solution and a tools. Educations. In this area, we can find everything of interest to a teacher or a future teacher, also including the support it can have for a student. Plans and pricing. Canva gives us the option to use it for free, or if we need a slightly more advanced option, it also has the option of Canva Pro and Canva for attention. Learn. It gives us the option to explore and learn at the same time, giving as a tool to create dot design and a many other that we can use. In this other left part, in this first icon, we have the option where we can download the application if we want to have it on the PC or on the phone. This is the border of account configuration. The notification in the layer, which is the profile of account, where it also gives us the option or being able to configure, download the apps, create a themes, and leave the application. Now, yes, here we have this incredible question. What will we design today? In this space here, we can write what we need to look for, but we also had all these options that we can use. Here, I have an option for me that appear that I can use. For example, document, online, whiteboard, presentations, social network, videos, prints, website, infographic, and many other things. Here we have the option for more and it display different template option for infographic, for college, wallpaper, and graphic, etc. We are going to do the task. In the search engine, we are going to write infographic. Here it already appears. We selected and it shows us the different template with an innovative design to use. We select the one that the best suit the new project we had at the end. It gives us the option to customize this template. And this option appears ready to edit and use these other tools that it offers here as an element. And we use these stickers and appears here, and we design where we want to place it. You can also change the font and make it bigger. With this space below, we can increase the zoom. We have better visibility of what we are doing. And if we use, you can use this draw. It also gives us the option, but since this is not my case, we only use the other tool we had. And we can choose a different style of text, like the ones that appears here. Remember that you can change this imagine for the one of your shoes, and if we already haven't ready, we click here and here and we click shared. Then is open for us. Here we select who can see our creation, and we select anyone with the link, and we copy the link, and there is tell us a copy. And and if we want to the downloading, we can also do it. We go to the beginning or our home, copy it here, download, home again. And if we want to exit the application, we just click here. It displays this option, and at the end, it says exit. All the words that we create in this tool are saved in the application. In summary, it's not necessary to be an excellent graphic designer to be able to use these learning tools. Canva is a very easy to use and has many templates and designs options that can be a very helpful in any activity, whether as a student, teacher, or for your own business. This is my bibliography. Thank you for all.